Welcome to this tutorial on crafting captivating latest post blocks with JoomUnited's latest post plugin. Have you ever noticed how a lackluster front end leaves visitors scrolling past your content, missing out on your valuable posts? An appealing front end is key to capturing attention, increasing engagement by encouraging clicks, shares, and longer visits, ultimately boosting your site's traffic and SEO rankings. That's where JoomUnited's latest post plugin shines as your ultimate solution. This powerful tool lets you create dynamic latest post blocks that showcase your content in eye-catching ways, from grids to sliders, all while integrating seamlessly with Elementor for effortless front-end design. With features like customizable themes, animation effects, and category filtering, it transforms ordinary post lists into engaging displays that keep users hooked. The benefits? Higher user retention, improved dwell time, and better conversion rates for your blog or e-commerce site. Let's dive in and see how you can make your front end irresistible. Eager to bring your WordPress front end to life with a stunning latest post block? Let's jump into creating a new block latest post plugin, and I'll guide you through every step. Start by heading to your WordPress dashboard, your central hub for managing plugins. Find the latest post plugin in the sidebar and click it to open the settings. Once inside, locate the New Block button at the top and give it a click to begin crafting your block. This is your starting point for building an engaging display that draws visitors in. Next, let's set up the content source, the heart of what your block will showcase. In the content source section, you'll see options to choose your posts and categories. Select Posts to pull in your latest articles, then pick specific categories to focus the content. Take note that these categories are taken from your posts like these. The plugin also offers advanced options, pages, tags, and custom post types for more detailed customization. But for this video, we'll keep it simple and stick with posts and category. This streamlined approach ensures a quick setup, saving you time while still delivering a dynamic block. After setting your content source, move to the theme section in the plugin dashboard, your creative playground for design. Here, you'll find a wide array of themes to choose from, each offering a unique visual impact. Whether it's a grid layout, a timeline, or a portfolio, the variety lets you match your site's vibe. Explore options like image position to place photos above or beside text, text alignment to center or left justify your content, news item content to decide what details show, and add post link only to include clickable titles, giving you full control to tailor the theme to your vision. The benefit? This flexibility crafts a look that grabs attention and keeps visitors engaged. Then take a look on the theme setup, where each theme have their own unique setup to fit the theme setting. For the default theme, enable show title to spotlight video post names, or activate lazy load to stream images only as users scroll, speeding up page loads effortlessly. Adjust the theme width to fit your layout and tweak button size for easy clicks, all handled automatically to save you time. Switch to the other theme where you'll find a load more button instead of lazy load, inviting users to explore additional general posts with a single tap, enhancing engagement without extra effort. There are other themes such as timeline or smooth hover where these setting is not the same, adding unique experiences for the user. These tailored setups are managed seamlessly in the dashboard, delivering a polished, professional vibe that keeps visitors lingering. The benefit? A customized, user-friendly design that boosts retention and interaction. For added excitement, some themes unlock animation magic. Choose a hover effect for smooth hover or a slide animation for material horizontal, and watch your block animate as visitors scroll, adding a dynamic flair. This interactivity makes your front end irresistible. Follow along as we bring this to life on Elementor. When all that is done, let's add it to Elementor and preview the magic. In the widget panel, search for latest post and drag the block onto your canvas. Alternatively, grab a shortcode from the plugin dashboard under your block settings, copy it, and paste it into any Elementor shortcode widget for a quick insert. Both methods are seamless, giving you flexibility to suit your workflow. Now, let's see it in action. On my Elementor canvas, check out the block we've crafted. It's vibrant and eye-catching, perfectly showcasing your selected posts. I've also added a few other blocks to spice things up. A material horizontal theme for the video category, a timeline layout for general posts, and a smooth hover style for architect and design posts. Each block stands out with its unique design, creating a dynamic front end. Click any post title or image, go ahead, try it, and you'll link directly to the full post page, where you can dive deeper into the content. The benefit? This interactivity boosts user engagement, encourages longer visits, and drives traffic to your detailed articles, enhancing SEO and conversions. These diverse layouts not only attract attention, but also cater to different content types, keeping your audience hooked while saving you design time. Let's explore how to finalize this for your site. Thank you so much for joining this tutorial on crafting stunning latest post blocks with JoomUnited's latest post plugin. Now you know how to create a new block, customize it with unique themes like material horizontal, timeline, and smooth hover, and showcase it beautifully on Elementor. Let's customize your posts and share the results with me in the comments. I can't wait to see your creations. This plugin, priced at just $49 a year, unlocks all its benefits, including unlimited site use, diverse theme options, animation effects, and seamless Elementor integration, saving you time while boosting engagement, dwell time, and SEO performance. Subscribe for more tips and start transforming your page today.